Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, Glossybox for September just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received September's Glossybox. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in the September's box. It always comes in this, like a mailer box, and then your goods are down inside. You have a little thing here for some toilet paper. So down inside, there's their pink box. So let's go ahead and get inside of this. There is that gorgeous woman right there. And my favorite time of the year is coming. I love advent calendars. Like, I'm an advent calendar hoe. Like, I love me some advent calendars, and their advent calendar is coming up. So if you guys are an actual member, you can get it a little bit cheaper, and I believe you can order it sooner than if you're not an active member. So keep that in mind. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It says featuring Glow Recipe, Elemis, and it has subscribers get priority access and $10 off discount. So yes, the sale will start September 16th. Ooh, that's next week. The Glossybox Advent Calendar is back, full of surprises and better than ever. Treat yourself or a special someone to the holiday gift that keeps on giving. So they're an amazing gift, even if you want to give it to somebody for Christmas as a gift idea. That's an awesome gift. And it says 27 beauty products worth over $550. Holy moly. That's what they said. So keep that in mind. That is coming up next week. I can't wait to start getting advent calendars. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and dive in. They always do put the tissue paper with the ribbon. I keep the ribbons as well. You never know when you might need a ribbon. And they do give them in different colors when they have the special boxes. So there's that. And then down inside, a look like that. Down inside of here, we'll go over all of the pricing, and it'll tell you more information about each item that's in the box. So let's go with the first item right on top that we saw. There's two little packets here. It says USDA organic for Sigmatic mushroom cocoa mix. What in the world? It says chill. It's instant hot chocolate. Treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cocoa mix. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. I could always get a better night's rest, so I'm excited to test this out. And you can have a little cup of hot chocolate before you go to bed to help you relax and enjoy your night's sleep. That's cool. It says chocolate, cinnamon, and dairy free. 2 packets are worth $4. 10 packets is a $20 value if you get a pack of 10. So there's the first item right there. Now we have is Stress Check Clean Hands, No Rinse Formula, Nourishing Purifying Hand Gel with 70% alcohol and pure essential oils. And that's from This Works. This is a travel size, and it is worth $6. It's a 60 ml. The full size is a 250 ml, and that's worth $15. And you can find that at uslookfantastic.com. This says, keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel is 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender and chamomile will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized whenever you can't get some soap and water. Once it said lavender, it already threw me off, especially on my hands. If I have to do anything near my face, I would smell it instantly. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this down to one of you guys to enjoy. So you have some clean hands when you cannot wash your hands with soap and water. So there's that. And with the lavender and chamomile, I'm sure it's going to be like a calming scent, but it doesn't make me calm. It gives me a migraine. So there's this product right here. Again, this is valued for $6. Now we have is a product by Daily Concepts, and it's a mitt. All right, so you get, like, you stick your hand up in there and you use it to buffer around your bate. This right here says tip, apply your cleanser to the mitt, then use over wet skin to exfoliate. avoid using on your face. So good tip, don't put it on your face. And if you want to see what it looks like on the inside, this is valued for $14. It feels like you can feel the little fibers. So when you're scrub-a-dub-dubbing, it will definitely exfoliate. And then you do just have this little good size mitt to stick your hand in, put your stuff on here and use that to exfoliate your body. And I like that it has this little thing here so you can hang it. Like I have my loofah hanging in the shower, so you can hang this and then it's right there ready to go when you want to do a little exfoliating. And so this guy right here, again, that is what it looks like. Detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. Made for your body, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, hydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin so you can look and feel your best. You can get this at uslookfantastic.com. And again, it's valued for $14 and this would be the full size item. Now we have is David's Premium Toothpaste, whitening, fresh breath, fluoride free, sulfate free, natural peppermint. Alrighty, so that one's actually a better way to show you. It says brush thoroughly after each meal for 2 minutes or as directed by your dentist or doctor. Freshen your breath with this premium, sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath. David's is made with naturally sourced ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. This is the mini size. It's 1.75 ounce, worth $4.95. The full size is 5.25 ounce, and that is worth $9.95 at davids/us.com. So you have a toothpaste right there, and we could always use that. I love getting things that I use on a daily basis. I brush my teeth every day. I clean my body every day. I wash my face every day. So anything that I use on a daily basis, I love getting in boxes. So there you go. Now we have is a big bottle here. It's a body cleanser. What was I just talking about? Same thing. I'm excited. Dispense in 2 hands, massage onto soaked skin from neck to toe, then rinse thoroughly. This is a full-size product valued for $23. And it says clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting all at the same time. This organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is suitable for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. I'm so glad. I was totally thinking, because of my luck, one of those words I was going to say lavender, and I'm so glad because now I'm going to use it. And I bet you it smells really good. It says aromatic. There's no safety seal, so I can smell it. It doesn't have a strong scent, and it doesn't have a distinctive, like I'm not smelling one thing in particular. So I'll have to wait until I'm scrubbing up dubbing it on my body and see. I mean, it's going to smell like a nice little refreshing scent, that's for sure. So I'm really excited to get a body cleanser. And again, that's valued for $23. Now we have one more item down in here, and it is a big guy. Ooh, collagen all-in-one gel facial moisturizer. Look at that. This is a full-size product valued for $49. Woo! I can't wait. I love me some skincare. Collagen all-in-one gel, DHC is what that says right there. This lightweight facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It has a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that causes premature aging. Wow. So I can't wait to try this out. So when you first, ooh, it's thick. Oh, she's thick. It looks like a nice, I was thinking instantly it was going to smell like an orange creamsicle or something. But there's no scent to it. That's just the color of it. And it's a nice thick consistency. So that is going to feel so good on my face. I can't wait until after I cleanse and tone tonight, because this is what I will be using. But let's just kind of feel it a little. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not picking up on any scent, but that feels amazing. Oh, wow. I can't wait to get that on my face. Yes, please give me some more. So that big guy, again, is valued for $49. You guys, I want to say this is an extremely good box this month. I mean, not that Glossybox isn't any other time, but I think this box had a really good variety. You have this really big guy here, a big body cleanser. You have this you can drop down in your purse and always have it so you're safe and sanitized. You have a toothpaste. We could always have that. You have an exfoliator when you're in the shower. And then you have a little 2-pack to try out to see if it'll help you relax and get a good night's sleep. So that is everything that came in this September box, you guys. And oh my goodness. So everything all added up together would be a complete retail value right here. This is what the total retail value is of the contents inside of the box. And I do really like that Glossybox does give you the value of the travel size or the deluxe size versus the full size. So you always know what the value of your box is. You always get to keep this nice little box for storage or for gift giving or for whatever you would like. And it's free international shipping. I do have a link down below. If you follow that link, you can get your very first box for only $16. All of this you can get with free shipping for $16. Wow. If you just do month to month, it's $21 a month. It goes cheaper as many months you prepay for. If you do a whole 12-month plan, it brings the price down to $18 per box. And again, it's free international shipping. You can pause, cancel at any given time. And you always get 5 products with a guaranteed value of over $70 in every single box. But most of the time it is a little bit more. And yeah, so that is everything that I have to show for this September box. You guys, comment down below. Let me know. Do you like Glossybox? Do you want to sign up with Glossybox? Do you want to get this box? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.